know what, Kathy? There's one thing I realized during COVID time, that life is so precious.
Chloe, what's my pencil doon?
So, and then she goes finally, that's why every birthday should be celebrated. So every time Mommy has this event, we have to celebrate, right? It only happens once in a blue moon. You know what I told her before we went out? Mommy, bring your passport. Yeah, we're going to Water Queen. Kasi Water Queen, if your birthday on this day, you're free. Sabi niya, bro, what passport? You know, there was a visitor, yung puti kanina. We are about to go, and I told Ate, we're going in 2 minutes, we're going out. And when I went out, he comes out, and Mommy, oh, Nani, yung ilaw, hindi ko alam kung saan yung ilaw, and then, Ando, here. Eh, pagdating niya sa corner, wala nang nakaman. Then there was no place, anywhere to go. And he goes like, and she goes, why are we going there? I said, I have to check the venue. Because tomorrow there is a crowd. Yesterday, there was, we lied to her. And she goes like, where are you going? We're going to Kuya Erno. We're going to take Pusoy. You know? And then I told her, Mommy, Carlo called. They need all the things, our deco thing. They need all our boxes. Why? I'm making some puchi. I'm making something. And then so I said, Kuya is coming around 30 minutes. Eh, saan ba park ang Kuya mo? Kasi sa 10 days, they mayroon mag-park. Si Kuya pa, tumawag. Wala siyang parking mag-park. So, and then, this thing came up, and of course, I would like, on behalf of us, please congratulate the one who made this. On his vision, he just came to us like, honey, I will do months like I'm sure. And then please put your hands together for Owen. So last night, he drew it and said, Kathy, I have styrofoam. Forgot. How's this styrofoam? Something was this styrofoam? Styrofoam! You guys buy styrofoam? Ano sabi nila? Styrofoam? Pag sabi na, Kaks, meron ba acrylic? Palabas na kami ng warm-up. Kaks, meron ba acrylic? Lahat na tayo. Pag nilap tayo, ikot kami. Turn back. And Kaks, may double take ka. We finished this thing until 11 midnight. Thank you.